Welcome back to our Adobe Illustrator.
Today I will share 6 of my favorite keyboard shortcuts and Before we get into the video, please hit subscribe, like and the notification bell for more of my content. Ellipse tool. Press L on your keyboard to activate the ellipse tool and make circular or oval-like shapes. Duplicate. To duplicate, hold Alt or Option on your keyboard while pulling the shape away. This shortcut is very handy and a lot quicker than the traditional copy-paste. Magic Wand. Press Y on your keyboard to select the Magic Wand tool. This will select all shapes similar or the same to the single shape you have clicked. Lasso tool. Click Q on your keyboard for the lasso tool. This allows you to draw a connected line along the shapes that you want to select. Shape Builder. Press Shift M on your keyboard. This will allow you to draw a line along the shapes that you want to morph and connect them. Text. Press T on your keyboard to activate the text tool.